The MJC Library subscribes to research databases providing students with free 24/7 access to thousands and thousands of credible articles from encyclopedias, magazines, newspapers, and peer-reviewed journals. Students can also use databases to find books, videos, and primary sources. All MJC databases are accessible from any computer connected to the internet, though off-campus use requires students to log in. This video will show you where to find these valuable research tools, highlight two of our most popular databases, and show you what kinds of things you can do with articles once you find them. If you have any questions about which database is best for your project, how to search an individual database, how to identify relevant search terms, or want more information on how to print, email, download, or cite the sources you find, please ask a librarian for help via our Ask a Librarian page. From the MJC Library and Learning Center homepage, click on Articles and Databases to get started. Our 7 most popular databases will appear towards the top of the screen, though you can also access several pull-down menus to find databases focusing on particular subjects, such as biography, history, or nursing and health, as well as databases providing particular types of information, such as primary sources, ebooks, or videos. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how databases work by searching Gale eBooks and EBSCOhost databases for articles about robotics. Because I haven't yet logged on today, I'm required to provide my normal YCCD credentials. Once I do that, I'm free to use all the databases. Gale eBooks is a great starting point for lots of research topics, as it provides basic topic overviews from published encyclopedias. I simply type my topic into the search box, and Gale eBooks retrieves for me a list of articles on that topic. When I find something interesting, I can click on the article title to access the full text, and then I can read the article in its full text format. I can listen to it, and if I decide it's useful for my research, I can send it to my Google or Microsoft OneDrives. I can email it to myself, download it, print it, and cite it in a variety of formats, including MLA, APA, and the Chicago Manual of Style. EBSCOhost databases is a great place to find more detailed articles from newspapers, magazines, and even peer-reviewed journals. Again, I simply type my search terms into the box to retrieve a list of relevant sources. I can limit my search to peer-reviewed journal articles if that's what my instructor requires. I can limit my search by date. And if I want to access more easy-to-read articles, I can limit my source types to newspapers or magazines or both. Once I find an article I like in EBSCO, I click on either the HTML or the PDF to access the full text of the article. From here, I can read the full text of the article. And again, if I decide it's something that supports my research, I can download this article, I can print it, I can send it to Google Drive, I can email it to myself, and EBSCO cites articles in a variety of formats, including APA, Chicago, Harvard, and MLA. Remember, if you need help selecting a database, searching a database, finding relevant search terms, or using any database feature, please access the Ask a Librarian link on the Library and Learning Center homepage for personalized assistance.